Welcome to Cardinal Home Care, your trusted partner for exceptional home care in Manassas, VA. Our personal care in Manassas ensures that every client begins their day with dignity and confidence. With our companion care services in Manassas, we bring warmth and companionship into everyday moments, enriching lives one day at a time. Whether it's a trip to the grocery store or a scenic car ride, our caregivers keep seniors active and engaged in their community. We believe in the importance of socializing and participating in senior-friendly activities, helping our clients maintain a vibrant lifestyle. Inside the home, our specialized dementia home care in Manassas keeps minds stimulated and spirits high, providing comfort and familiarity. With 24-hour home care in Manassas, Cardinal Home Care offers round-the-clock support, ensuring peace of mind for both clients and their families. Our Alzheimer's home care in Manassas is tailored to meet the unique needs of each client, fostering a safe and nurturing environment. Experience the exceptional care with Cardinal Home Care, because your comfort and happiness are our top priorities.